This is big. One UI 9 is shaping up to be Samsung's most important update in years. And two massive features could finally change how Galaxy phones work every single day. But before we jump in, quick question. What's more important to you? App lock or copy-paste across devices? Drop your pick in the comments. Trust me, this matters. Alright, let's talk. Samsung is still focused on rolling out One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. That update is fresh, still expanding and still being tested across devices. But behind the scenes, Samsung and Google are already laying the groundwork for One UI 9, and it's looking huge. Why? Because One UI 9, powered by Android 17, could finally bring to long-requested features Galaxy users have wanted for years. First, global app lock. Second, universal clipboard. Let's start with the one that might actually change how you use multiple devices. Early clues suggest that Android 17 will introduce a universal clipboard system. And yes, this is the same feature Apple users have enjoyed for years. Copy something on your phone, paste it instantly on your tablet or laptop. No buttons, no setup, no extra apps. According to fresh details from Android Authority, Android 17 includes a component called Universal Clipboard Manager. This lives inside Google's continuity framework, the system designed to help Android devices talk to each other smoothly. Based on the code discovered so far, Android will detect whatever you copy on your phone, send it to Google Play services, and automatically sync it across your linked devices. At the moment, it looks like text-only support, but Google could easily expand this to images, links, or more in future updates. And here's why this matters for Samsung users. Samsung already has cross-device tools like Quick Share, Samsung Flow, and Phone Link, but none of them offer simple, built-in clipboard syncing. Some require extra apps, others need manual setup, and none feel as seamless as they should. A universal clipboard baked directly into Android would change everything. No friction, no setup, just copy and paste anywhere. If Samsung integrates this into One UI 9, Galaxy users finally get Apple-level continuity without switching ecosystems. Now let's talk about the other massive upgrade, App Lock. Yes, finally new details suggest that One UI 9 may introduce a global App Lock feature for Galaxy devices. Not region-locked, not experimental. Worldwide, this feature would let you lock apps using a PIN, password, fingerprint, or face unlock, keeping sensitive apps fully protected. And let's be honest, Android desperately needs this. Earlier reports claimed that Samsung would include App Lock in One UI 8.5, but only for China. That part is true. In China, One UI 8.5 also debuts a redesigned Smart Manager loaded with AI-powered features and enhanced security tools. Users there can protect private apps without relying on third-party app lockers. Global users? Still waiting, but now things are changing. Fresh information confirms that Google is developing an official system-level app lock as part of Android 17. This tool would allow users to lock apps directly from system settings. No private space, no third-party utilities, no hacks. And here's the big part. Early code for this feature is already live in pre-release Android 17 builds. This isn't speculation anymore. It's happening right now. Android does not offer a simple, straightforward way to lock apps. Yes, private space exists, but it's limited. Apps inside private space can't sit on your home screen. They require extra steps to open, and they operate independently from your main profile. It's clunky, it's inconvenient, and most people don't use it. That's why so many users turn to third-party app lockers, apps that often break after updates, drain battery, or can be bypassed easily. Google's official app lock aims to fix all of that by making the feature secure, universal, and deeply integrated into Android itself. And once Google builds it, Samsung can roll it straight into One UI 9. If App Lock launches properly with Android 17, there's a very strong chance Samsung will expand the feature globally in One UI 9, finally ending years of frustration for Galaxy users. Quick question, which apps would you lock first? Messages, gallery, banking apps? Let me know below so when you put it all together, One UI 9 is shaping up to be a monster update. Universal Clipboard for seamless cross-device use. Proper app lock for real privacy, all powered by Android 17. More details should surface very soon as Android 17 development continues. And when they do, you'll hear about it first. If you want the latest One UI and Android 17 updates before anyone else, make sure you're subscribed and ready for the next one. You're the real one for watching till the end. See you in the next one.